Hey guys, it's McDev. We're back for another one, and this one is use hex codes for specific colors. What the heck is a hex code, right? So, just up front, this one seems a lot more intimidating looking at the content than it really should be. It's just a different way to assign colors. All right, so we're just going to look at what they specifically want us to do, and then we'll dive into a little bit of the why behind it. So here they want us to replace the word black in our body's element with its hex code representation, which they're telling us is this pound slash hashtag sign and all zeros. So let's do that. Let's try that out. Yep. And I got the same number of zeros. Yeah, it works the same way. I mean, I can comment that out. It's white, put it back in, and that's making a black background. So what is this hex code and what can we know about it? So it says here that we usually think, or we usually use decimals or base 10 numbers, which use the symbols 0 through 9 for each digit. Hexadecimals or hex are base 16 numbers. So, right, we count on our hands. We're going to start at 0 because this is programming. We're going to say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So essentially 10 altogether, but we're counting at 0. Just ignore that weird part. So used to a 10 base system, but hexadecimals use 16. That's more fingers than we have on our hand. And so because it's 16, we've run out of numbers. And so anyways, like decimals, 0 through 9 represent the values 0 through 9. But then A, B, C, D, E, F represent the values 10 to 15. Altogether, 0 to F can represent a digit in hexadecimal, giving us 16 total possible values. You can find more information about hexadecimal numbers here. And that's a Wikipedia article on hexadecimal numbers. I'll just show you a quick blip of it. That's it. And go back to this. Cool. So, um, anyways, let's keep reading because I find this interesting at least. In CSS, we can use 6 hexadecimal digits to represent colors, 2 each for the red, green, and blue. So this is red. I'm actually going to write it down here. Let's just turn this into a whole full out lesson, guys. Hang on for the ride. All right, so this is our hexadecimal. And so we're gonna say, so we can see it. Okay, so this is red, this is green, and this is blue. R, G, B. And I'm going to do something. Maybe it doesn't work in here. Okay. I'm just trying to get the spacing right. This is a little bit sloppier than I hoped it would be. Here's how we'll do it. Red, green, and blue. Well, sorry for wasting your time here. All right, so we have red are these two values, green are these two values, and blue are these two values. And so the lowest possible number is uh, is 0. The highest possible is F. So it stands to reason that if we turn the first two into Fs, not here, but here, if we turn the first two into F, we should have maximum red. If we turn the second two into Fs, we should have maximum green. And if we turn the last into Fs, we should have maximum blue. All right. And so anything between 0 and F, you could create basically all of the 256 color value for each. So anyways, that was probably too much on this. I'm going to show you one other thing that might be helpful. It's just a color picker. This is how I do it. I don't care about the hexadecimal system in that way. I don't put that much thought into it. Instead, I think graphically and visually, because that's a lot of web design. And I'll say, okay, I want this specific color. Let's say it's right here. I'll just grab that hexadecimal value and I will copy and paste it, and then we're there. So anyways, I hope this has been good. I'll see you around for the next lesson. Bye, guys.